Hello everyone and welcome to another Voluta digital release form tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at how to edit legal options in our editor's menu. So let's jump right in. First up, we'll get into the app and head to settings. It'll ask you to enter your employee passcode. The default is 1234, or if you changed it, use your custom passcode. If you'd like to know how to set up a custom passcode, click the pop-up in the top right to watch the tutorial. Next, we're going to tap settings up at the top and enter in our master passcode. Once we're in the settings menu, we're going to scroll down until we find the editor's menu. This is where we can edit all of the different client and artist options when they're filling out the release forms. For this video, we're going to tap on edit legal clauses. The app already comes with a lot of ones preloaded in, but let's go ahead and start by adding a new clause. Tapping this selection will open a text field which will allow you to enter in a brand new legal clause. In this menu, we can also select an item and then tap to remove it. You also have the ability to select an item and then tap to edit. Back in the legal menu, you can also change the order in which your clients see the clauses and restore everything back to its original settings. When you're done with your changes, just tap save to get out of the menu. Thank you for watching this Voluta digital release form tutorial. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel with more tutorials on how to set up and best utilize your app. And don't forget, if you're ever offline and unable to watch one of our videos, you can always head into your app and go to our How to Set Up and Use FAQ, and when you are connected, use our support page for more help.